Hello my dear, how are you? I am Sadia Khanam, teacher of Cosmos School. Welcome to math class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Can you guess what is it?
Ta-da! Today we are going to talk about circle. Can you tell me some examples of circle? Okay, let me show you some example of circle. What's this? Yes, this is the sun. We know that sun has a round shape like a circle. Okay, next is this is moon. Okay, moon has also a round shape like a circle. Wow, what's this? This is a pizza. Okay, so it's look like a circle also. Ooh, this is a clock. So it's also look like a circle, right?
Now let's see how to draw a circle. For drawing a circle, you need a pencil compass and a pencil. Okay, get ready with your pencil and pencil compass. Now let's draw it. So this is the circle. Okay. Now let's find out some parts of this circle. Here this is the circle and this point is the center. Okay. So this is the center. We can denote it by O. Okay. Now a curved line that bound a circle, that is the boundary curved line, is the circumference. Okay, so this is the circumference. Now if we join a line from center to circumference, suppose it's called B. So here OB is the radius. Now let's take 2 points on the circle. Here suppose we take a point D here and E here. So now we can join these 2 points D and E. So here DE is chord. Okay, DE is the chord of the circle, and you know that this curved line is called circumference and DE is the small part of the circumference and it is called an arc. Okay, now if we draw a chord which is passes through the center, suppose we can denote it by A and C. So AC is the diameter, and you know here OA is also a radius and OC is also a radius. So we can say that diameter is 2 times of radius. Okay. So this is the circle and this is the all part of the circle. Now let's see the definition of circle and the part of the circle.
First of all, what is circle? A circle is a closed curved line in which all the points on the curve are in the same distance from the center. Now characteristics of circle. Number 1, it's a completely round figure. Number 2, each and every point on a circle is equidistant from its center. Number 3, its diameter is 2 times of its radius. So some important definitions here. Circumference. A curved line that bound a circle is called circumference. Radius. Radius is the distance from the center to the circumference. Radius is half of the diameter. Arc. Arc is the part of the circumference. Chord. Chord is also line segment that connects two end points of an arc. Diameter. Diameter is a chord that passes through the center. Diameter is the largest chord of circle. And diameter is 2 times of radius. Now, relationship between the radius and the diameter. Here we have two relationships. Diameter is equals to 2 times of radius and radius is equals to half of diameter.
I hope now you can draw circle and all the parts of it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.